Good morning, and welcome to our Friday Assembly. We would like to recognize and acknowledge the Songhees and Esquimalt nations on whose traditional lands we live, work, play, and learn. Please stand for O Canada and the school song. Now cover your ears because it's time for Friday Morning Online. Mr. Bowers, do you have any announcements?
Hi, Mr. Bowers.
Hello, Mr. Monkey. How are you this morning?
Well, I'm not very good. I'm really worried. I heard about that kid at that other school that got COVID, and what if it happens to us?
It won't happen to you, Mr. Monkey, if you stay safe by keeping your bubbles small.
Well, I can do that. I can just stay home with my grandma here and keep my bubble small. I gotta tell you, it's a little boring. I wish I could have play dates with all my little monkey friends. And I know I can't, and I know I have to wash my hands all the time and wear a mask when I'm out with people, but it's getting me down.
I know it is, Mr. Monkey, but you've got to persist. You've got to persevere and keep that bubble small and make sure you do all the safety things that we've talked about.
So I think we should tell all our friends out there, if you keep your bubble small and you stay home, before long this will be over and we can get back to what we usually do. And that will make me feel very happy. And by the way, can you tell me, is there going to be bananas on my pizza this week?
We haven't quite arranged that, Mr. Monkey, but wait and see.
Okay, thanks, Mr. Bowers. You made me feel better. I've been thinking about something. We haven't had house points talked about in a long time.
I know, Mr.
What's
Monkey.
going on?
Yeah, it's been unusual times, but we're still collecting house points.
Yay!
And I'm really excited. So some really good news to announce the house points and the positions. So in fourth place, Greenhouse 951.
Yay! Good for you,
And I should
Greenhouse.
say Durham Fraser in third place, 976.
Ooh, that's pretty close.
That's
Yay!
pretty good. And this is a really tight race this year, Mr. Monkey. Mackenzie is in 989.
Yay! Keister Mackenzie, you mean, right?
Keister Mackenzie,
Yeah,
sorry.
just making sure.
Got it right. Got it wrong. And in first place, Wyndham Douglas, only by what? About 200 points. 1,069 points.
Woo! Way to go,
So
you
a
guys!
very,
Good
very close
job.
race.
Do you know what house I'm in, Mr. Bowers?
What else are you in?
I'm in Rainbow House, just like my grandma. Woo!
And by the way, Mr. Monkey, I love your onesie that you're wearing. That
Well,
must be a brand new
Thank
costume.
you. That's very kind of you to notice. The kindergarten kids made me a little bit embarrassed because they said I was naked. So I had my grandma go shopping. I'm glad you like my outfit.
Fantastic. You look great.
Okay, have a good week. Bye, everybody.
Hi, I'm Anne.
Hi, I'm Clarita.
Hi, I'm Mia.
We're all from Round Square. We helped organize a Pajama Day for next Friday, January 23rd. On Pajama Day, you can wear your cozy, warm pajama to school for the whole day. So we hope to see everyone in their favorite PJs next Friday.
If you do not want to participate, then you should wear your regular uniform to school. Oh, and by the way, because Pajama Day is on Friday, that means Tracksuit Day will be moved to Thursday next week. Bye.
Thank you and have a fantastic weekend, everyone.